Have you ever pondered the intriguing question, why humans and apes, unlike most mammals, don't have tails? It's a thought that has puzzled many an inquisitive mind. Well, it appears that science may have finally started to unravel this evolutionary mystery. In a groundbreaking study, geneticist Bo Xia and his team have identified a genetic change shared by humans and other apes that could have contributed to the loss of tails in our ancestors around 25 million years ago. This discovery revolves around an ape-specific DNA insertion in a gene known as TBXT. T-box transcription factor T have a conserved role in defining the lumbar and sacral regions. Within the TBXT gene enter ALU elements, which are most abundant transposons found in the human genome. These elements that can jump around the genome. Now let's talk about alternative splicing, a genetic phenomenon where the TBXT gene, the ALU insertion in the hominoid TBXT gene, causes an alternative splicing event. This ALU element positioned over 500 BP from exon 6, when combined with another ALU element, ALUSEX1, in the reverse orientation in intron 5, due to sequence complementarity, this forms a stem loop structure which traps the exon 6 in the loop, leading to a hominoid-specific alternative splicing isoform, TBX-dexon6. This leads to loss of tail. The researchers hypothesized that this could potentially cause tail defects. To verify their theory, they developed gene-edited mice with altered TBXT genes. The results were fascinating. Their research published in Nature in the February 2024. But why did evolution favor the loss of tails in hominoids? It's a trade-off. Bipedalism provided advantages like improved vision, freeing hands for tool use, and enhanced survival skills. But tails loss made hominoids susceptible to spinal defects and abnormalities. This suggests that tail loss in apes and humans may have been a result of a complex interplay of genetic changes. Adding to the complexity, the researchers also identified thousands of genetic changes unique to apes that could have played a role in tail loss. This indicates that the story of tail loss in our ancestors is a complex tapestry woven from countless threads of genetic changes. This study is not just about answering a curious question, it has profound implications for our understanding of evolution. It sheds light on the genetic mechanisms underlying tail loss in apes and humans. Moreover, it suggests that tail loss may have contributed to the ability of apes to walk upright, a key evolutionary milestone. However, the researchers caution that the evolution of bipedality likely occurred millions of years later. So, the next time you sit comfortably on a chair without a tail getting in your way, remember that it's the result of millions of years of evolution and a complex interplay of genetic changes. And while science has started to unravel this mystery, there is still much to learn about the fascinating journey of evolution.